Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ali Muhammad wa ajjal farajahum ajmain al-kareem. Habibi, welcome to Hashim Pro Properties for the God Sale Coach. So very good afternoon to all of you. So it's truly a big opportunity for the batters, to perform and to prove themselves that they are the best. It's truly a batting paradise. There is nothing special for the bowlers to do anything whenever you are playing on a cemented wicket. Back-to-back boundaries, absolutely very expensive today. So Big Man is a dangerous man. Look at that style. 3 consecutive boundaries. Back-to-back boundaries, absolutely very expensive today. This young man has the guts to bounce back in each and every kind of a situation. He has set a very good example for his juniors that he can do everything whatever the peoples are expecting. He's truly unpredictable character, great entertainer, a truly a skillful batter. He has the ability to do anything whatever the peoples are expecting. The batter should be determined to bounce back in each and every kind of a situation. These are the skills which every players must have. Look at that style. Style is the man. Into the stands, 90 meters, maybe more. Terrific shot from a classic player. A truly unbelievable. Rizwan is the batter, such a skillful batter, such an experienced person. Always try to set a good example for his team member. He has the ability to prove himself that he is deserving for this place. In the previous over, he has proved himself that he is deserving for this place. Perfect Yorker this time. Comfortably taken 1 run. He's asking for the third, but comfortably taken 2 runs. Rizwan is on strike. In a table cricket, you don't have enough space to make experiment. You just have to prove yourself. You just have to show your skills, your abilities, your experience. Everything matters a lot. So Rizwan Bhai is proving himself that he is truly a man of honor. One man army, one man show, Rizwan Bhai. That's a huge void. Not a very good line. So Hashimpura Properties, Fatehgarh Sialkot, that should be for poor fielding, a truly nonsensical attitude. Every single ball is essential for you whenever you are playing a table cricket. You just have to perform and to prove yourself that you are the best, you are deserving for this place. So actually it's a batting paradise, Hashimpura Properties, Fatehgarh Sialkot, a cemented wicket. So there is nothing special for the bowlers. You just have to show your skills. You just have to show your experience, your determinations, your courage. All these things matters a lot. You just have to show your skills. Through your skills, you can easily deceive the batters. But if you don't have some sort of a skills, so you will never be able to do anything whatever the people are expecting. Deadly bouncer. This time, Rizwan is totally deceived by this a quicker one. So Rizwan by flinged away into the stand. That should be a 6. Hashimpura Properties 10 on 10, 6. Terrific performance. Outstanding sixer. Unbelievable sixer. A truly unpredictable character. A great entertainer. This, a big man, is a truly unbelievable. Catches the call. Oh, that's a dolly he has dropped it. A truly nonsensical attitude. The table cricket, I'm really unable to understand why the fielders are not interested to take the catch. Misfielding, drop catches, always creating a hurdles for the bowlers. Simply, you are breaking the backbone of the bowler. In other words, you can say that you are committing a suicide, you are killing yourself, you are destroying yourself. You'll never be able to do anything. You're creating a bad impact on the mind of the other fielders. Good shots. But the batter is not interested to take single. Vikas Bhai is the batter. Such a sensible batter. Good shot through the covers. That should be out, but oh, that's a lollipop. He has dropped it. The fielder is totally unable to understand how to take the ball. Ridiculous attitude. Drop catches, misfielding. Simply, you are interested to punish yourself. Actually, I personally feel that in a table cricket, the fielders are mostly try to set a bad example for the others. They are always try to pose themselves as egoistic and some sort of superstars in a table cricket. So these are the things. They have perished their personalities. They have setting a bad example for the others. If you are a skillful bowler, if you are a skillful batter, you must have some sort of guts to to set a good example for the others. As a fielder, you just have to perform and to prove yourself that you are deserving for the best. But it's a truly miserable condition that the fielders are not interested to to take the ball. Lucas Bai is on strike. It's a truly a big opportunity for Vikas Bai to set a good target for his opponents. Good shot, flicked away. That should be a six. What a shot! What a player! Look at that style. Style is the man. Hashimpur Properties 10 on 10 6. Once again, Vikas Bai is on strike. Here we go. Vikas Bai catches the call. Dudley bouncer this time. The keeper is totally unable to understand how to take the ball. The short boundary is a big problem for the both side. Comfortably taking 2 runs. Vikas Bai has to rotate the strike. He's truly a man of honor, a truly a skillful batter, such experienced person, setting a good example for his team member that he can do everything whatever the peoples are expecting. Vikas Bai. Here we go. So once again catches the call. Same fielder is there, but he is not interested to take the catch. Truly a pathetic condition, truly a miserable condition, truly unbelievable. The last ball of this over. Vikas Bai, he's on strike. Good shot, catches the call once again. Once again, didn't carry. A truly pathetic condition, truly miserable condition. Rizwan Bai is little annoyed. That should be for a couple of bounces over the fence. There is such no opportunity for the fielders to take the ball. Huge gap is there. Vikas Bai. Huge wide that was. Slow delivery, that's a very good variation. Comfortably taken 1 run. Rizwan Bai is on strike. Good shot. Hashimpur Properties 10 on 10 6. That was a truly a huge sixer, truly unbelievable. Rizwan Bai is truly unpredictable character. He's truly a man of honor, One man army, one man show is won by. Big man is a dangerous man. Is looking very aggressive today. Has the guts to do anything whatever the peoples are expecting. Here we go. The next ball of this over. Good shot through the mid wicket area. That should be a six. Back-to-back boundaries. Absolutely very expensive today. Rizwan Bhai is on fire. Batting paradise. Hashampura Properties. Sialkot Fatehgarh. So it's a truly a big opportunity for Rizwan Bhai. Once again, Rizwan Bhai. Huge void that was. Once again, Rizwan Bhai. Good shot. Three consecutive boundaries, back-to-back boundaries. Absolutely very expensive today. Rizwan Bhai is on fire. He has proved himself that he is deserving for this place. He's truly a man of honor. One man army, one man show. Rizwan Bhai. It's truly inaccessible for the bowling side to chase this target. Truly a stiff target. But everything is possible in a game of cricket. Your performance, your skills, your experience, your confidence, all these things matters a lot. You just have to show your confidence. You just have to show your skills, your experience, and you have to prove yourself. You can do anything, whatever the peoples are expecting. These are the things you should always keep in mind whenever you are playing a table cricket.